Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can flip an image on Adobe Express. So first of all, I'm going on Adobe Express, then open up a design right now. So that's go to media, then type cow. Then you can type anything here. Then I select this photo. Okay, you can see this is the same actually. So if I want to flip this one, just select this image, then go to this option. You can see this is a flip. Wow, this already works. So just write in. Okay, that's good. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.